I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you have and why it matters. Xbox controllers use native X input, PlayStation uses direct input or Steam input. Once done, install any missing drivers via Windows Update or the maker's installer so the PC recognizes the device. Next, plug in a USB cable for instant connection or enable Bluetooth and put the controller into pairing mode. This immediate action avoids later detection issues and sets you up to connect the controller to Epic games with minimal friction. You use Steam input to bridge compatibility because Epic Launcher doesn't always expose controller support directly. First, add Epic Games Launcher to Steam as a non-Steam game. This lets Steam inject controller mappings. Then enable the appropriate controller support under Settings Controller General Controller Settings so Steam detects your model and provides X input translation. Once done, launch Epic from Steam. Steam will remap inputs and pass them to games, providing consistent button mapping and vibration behavior, even for PlayStation or generic. You complete the setup by testing controls inside the game and adjusting mappings or dead zones to match your preference. This ensures gameplay feels correct. Make sure Epic runs launched via Steam so Steam input remains active. If the controller fails to respond, update drivers, restart the PC, and try a USB cable to rule out Bluetooth issues. One key troubleshooting tip: repair the controller and disable other background controller tools. Conflicting apps often steal input and prevent Epic from seeing the controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.